Two all-electric SUVs have recently entered the competitive European market, the ZEEKR 7X and the BYD Sealion 7. Both vehicles underwent Euro NCAP's rigorous crash safety evaluations for 2025, scoring the full 5 stars. In this video, we'll break down their safety performance across the 4 core categories: adult occupant protection, child occupant safety, vulnerable road users, and safety assist features, giving you a clear look at how each model performs. Adult occupant protection. ZEEKR 7X delivered a strong performance in this category, scoring 91%. In frontal offset tests, the passenger cabin remained stable, with dummy readings indicating good protection for the knees and femurs of both driver and passenger. It achieved full marks in side impact and pole tests, thanks to excellent protection across all body regions. Even in rear-end whiplash protection, the ZEEKR showed high-level restraint system performance. Additional safety features such as advanced e-call, multi-collision brake, and successful submergence tests further strengthened its score. BYD Sealion 7 scored 87%. The car also performed well in frontal offset tests, offering good knee and femur protection. However, in the full-width rigid barrier test, chest protection for the rear passenger was rated as weak, slightly impacting the overall score. Side crash protection, including side pole impacts, was excellent, and whiplash protection in both front and rear seats was rated good. The Sealion 7 is also equipped with e-call and post-impact braking systems. Child occupant protection. ZEEKR 7X scored a strong 90% in this category. It received full marks for frontal and side impact crash protection for both 6- and 10-year-old child dummies. The vehicle also allows for proper installation of all tested child restraint systems, and includes a child presence detection feature. The front passenger airbag can be disabled, allowing safe installation of rear-facing child seats, and the dashboard provides clear status indicators. BYD Sealion 7 achieved a slightly higher score of 93%. Like the ZEEKR 7X, it offered maximum protection in both frontal and lateral crash tests and supports a wide range of child seats. It also includes child presence detection, earning additional credit for active safety. Overall, the BYD showed excellent child safety credentials, giving it a slight edge in this category. Vulnerable road users protection. ZEEKR 7X scored 78% in this category. The car showed good or adequate protection for pedestrian and cyclist head impacts, with weaker areas limited to the windscreen pillars. It scored high in impact mitigation, thanks to a responsive autonomous emergency braking system that effectively detected pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists in multiple scenarios. However, it lacked cyclist dooring prevention and motorcyclist lane support features. BYD Sealion 7 received a 76% score. While its AEB system also performed well across vulnerable user scenarios, the car showed slightly more mixed results in head, femur, and tibia protection, and its cyclist dooring prevention was marginal. Nevertheless, it achieved full marks in motorcyclist AEB and lane support systems, slightly balancing out its lower raw impact protection score. Safety assist features. ZEEKR 7X stood out here, earning 83%. Its lane keeping assist, emergency lane keeping, and speed assistance systems all performed very well. The vehicle includes direct driver monitoring for distraction and fatigue, as well as comprehensive occupant status detection and seatbelt reminders for all seating positions. Its AEB system performed strongly in car-to-car crash prevention tests. BYD Sealion 7 achieved a solid 79%. It too is equipped with intelligent AEB, lane assist systems, and driver monitoring, but scored slightly lower in overall system effectiveness, particularly in lane support and AEB car-to-car tests. Nonetheless, it offers a well-rounded safety package with reliable alerts, speed limit recognition, and occupant detection for all seats. Both the ZEEKR 7X and BYD Sealion 7 are 5-star safety-rated EVs, a testament to how far electric SUVs have come in terms of occupant and road user protection. The ZEEKR 7X clearly leads in adult occupant safety, vulnerable road user protection, and active safety technologies. The BYD Sealion 7, meanwhile, offers slightly better child safety features and an equally high standard in passive crash protection. So, which one would you choose, the ZEEKR 7X or the BYD Sealion 7? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more detailed car comparisons and safety reviews.